More than a review, we really need some first-hand accounts on what exactly is going on with this, why we love it, why we hate it, and you got to stay to the very end to find out about that. But we want to break down Cacao Bliss to figure out if this is going to be a great product, not so great product, or just the right product for you. So stay tuned. Let's get right into this. So we are all looking at better ways that we can manage our bodies with these delicious supplements, with these amazing products that are out there, but how can we figure out which ones are great? So looking into the superfood categories, I was saying, what are some of my options? And that's when I stumbled on Cacao Bliss. And cacao is one of the key ingredients in chocolate. And we know how much we all love chocolate. Chocolate is not only great, right? Even if you're not a chocolate fan, you can't deny that you just feel so good sometimes when you have that chocolatey, thing going on. But chocolate is one of our favorite treats universally in the world. We can just look at things like that. Chocolate has powerful antioxidant property. Check out this list. I mean, I have to mention this, the raw cacao. Like, look at what these ingredients are. These are quality ingredients. You won't be upset. We also need to mention this because I can't get you off of this video without reminding you, hey, look, if you're diabetic, this works very well with someone with a low sugar diet. It is phenomenal. I can't stress this enough. I just like the flexibility. You cannot overstate that enough. One way to incorporate the benefits of Cacao Bliss into your daily routine is to add it to your meals and drinks. That's exactly what you're seeing me do right now, right here on this video. We mix it with my protein shake or a smoothie. It works just as well with a hot drink like coffee or tea. You're going to flippin' love it. So it's got some really cool superfoods. And if you're all about getting the most bang for your buck with the ingredients, check this list out. Raw cacao, turmeric, black pepper, MCT powder, cinnamon, monk fruit, coconut nectar, lucuma, mesquite, Himalayan salt. All of these things help keep your immune functioning properly and best of all, burning fat. This is such a great variety because it works with a lot of different variety of diets because I am dairy free. If you're gluten free, if you're lactose free, if you're soy free, if you want something that's organic, this is going to be the best bang for the buck. Trust me. It goes back to the flexibility of dieting. Now you've heard me talk about this stuff. Now it's up to you to give this a go. As I said earlier, we got a coupon in the description for you to give this a shot. I love this stuff. It keeps me fit, keeps me trim about 15, 16 days in. I can't say anything bad about it other than I wish I had bought this sooner, but now it's up to you. This is going to be a great option for you that I recommend personally. Final note, remember it's important to avoid junk foods, processed foods, just the foods that aren't good for you. And we all know what those are. I'm not trying to get into that in this video. But what I am suggesting, and I'm always around my clients, is make sure that you find healthier options. This is going to be the best option. It's going to be sweet. That's going to take care of those cravings. It's going to curb your appetite. What stops so many people from actually committing and losing that weight is because they just get that sweet tooth and they cave in. This takes care of that, but it's healthier, reduces inflammation. You saw the list earlier. Get this, stop wasting your time, and go ahead and click that button. You're not going to be disappointed with this. You're going to love it. Check this next video out. I think you're going to like this even more.